Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the Filmora video editing series. So in the last class, we have discussed about the title, audio, and stock media. So now we are going to move to the transition tab. In the transition tab, you will get a lot of transition in the same way. You will see your favorite transition. In the download section, you will see your downloaded transitions here. In the recommended, you will see a lot of new transitions. You guys have to download those. Once you have to check those, they check their previews. Use them as per your need and according to your video editing style. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to download these some transitions. So I'm going to download section. Basically, we use the transition where the two videos are getting joined, getting merged. Basically, we can use the transition where the two videos are getting merged or joining together. So what we have to do, we have to go to the download section. For example, if you want to add this effect, if you want to add this transition, you have to see the preview once. If you want to see add this, let's see the preview, and let's see the preview of this one, or let's see the preview of this one. So I'm going to drag this one here. We have to drag this here, and you will see, as you can see. So I'm going to delete this sound effect, and now I'm going to play this again. So as you can see, in this way the transition is working. If you want to reduce the transition duration, you have to double click on it, and you can reduce the transition duration. And if you want to apply the same duration on the all transitions, you have to click on the apply to all. It will be applied. So if you want to reduce it from here, you guys can also reduce the transition duration from here. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the transition in your video and how you can increase the duration or decrease the duration. So see you guys in the next video.